Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and today I'm showing you a new grill option for those 2024 and up Harley-Davidson cutting kits from Hertz Audio. The original ones have these louvers. I love the performance look of the louvers. So many of you were very vocal and just said you did not like them. So they have answered, they have come out with you a new grill. So I want you to watch the rest of this. I'm going to install them on a bike and show you the differences between the two so you can judge which ones you like the most. All right, so before we move to the bike, I want to answer a few questions I know are coming. First off, this grill is only going to be sold as an accessory. If you already have the HD24 Cut-In Kit, this is going to be sold to replace that louvered grill. And Hertz loves the design. I do too of the original. It's a statement. It says, I spent more money. I didn't get the basic kit that other places sell. I got the best quality, the best fitting cutting kit available for my bike. Now, if you don't like that grill, they said, we'll make you one. We'll make you happy. You're still going to get the best cutting kit, the best fitment, to hold the best quality speakers, but now you're going to get a smooth grill to go along with it. These are going to be 50 bucks a pair. I love the idea of buying the grill separate for a couple reasons. First off, you may get on your bike, maybe with a big boot on, and you may accidentally kick a grill. Maybe your wife does it. Instead of having a fight, instead of getting too upset, you can just buy another set. 50 bucks is not terribly bad to get two new grills, new gaskets, new brass inserts, ready to go on your bike. It's really, really a simple change out. Now, if you're going to buy a new system from Volunteer Audio, you're going to find out when you select that cutting kit, you are going to get the louvered cutting kit, and you're going to have to pay $50 extra to go to the other look if that's what you decide to do. Also, they gave us a nice little area here if you're not using Hertz speakers. And I'll tell you, you need to make sure your speakers fit in this scenario. But if you're not using Hertz speakers, this logo could come out. A new logo could be lasered for whatever brand or idea you have to go in. So as a universal, and this is actually called our universal grill from Hertz. So let's go to our bike. Let's take off one of those louvered grills. I'll put on a mesh one, and we'll compare the two side by side and look. All right, so I'm just going to take the one off of our bike. This is our demo bike, our 24 CVO ST. I'm going to remove one of the louvered ones, and I'm going to install that new one. The only thing we're going to need is a torque screwdriver. So I'm just going to open up my lid. These are a T20, and I'm going to remove the 4 screws holding it on. It's a simple change out. Remove those 4 Torx T20 screws, and then just swap to your new grill. All right, so there's our old grill off. I'll take my new grill and put it on. Now, I always want to start with one of the front screws, making sure everything's lined up well. Sounds like it's just going to squeak a little bit. Let's line up that back screw now. I'm not tightening any of them up until we get them all started. The back corner one always squeaks for whatever reason. The other ones are all good. Let's go ahead and tighten them down. Now they're all started. All right, so it's bottomed out. And just like that, we have our new grill installed. Check it out. For you guys that didn't like the louvers, there's your new grill without them. I think it looks great. It looks just like the other grill, just got a little bit larger mesh grill. So let me know, what do you think about the new grills? This is a new product release. We have 100 sets in stock at volunteeraudio.com. Go there now, get them. They're going to go quick. There's so many of you already have this kit, and quite a few of you have been asking for these repeatedly. Now, some of you have gotten a little mad at me. Apologize if that's the case. We don't produce the parts. We tell you about them as they're coming, but we never took anybody's money on a pre-order or gave you a specific date when they would come. We've been waiting on them for a while. They're finally here. I think they look good, and I try not to rush new products. I would love for them to come and fit and work perfect. That's more important than rushing any particular date. Another great product from Hertz, another awesome addition to the lineup to an already amazing sounding system. Again, get it right now at volunteeraudio.com. You've seen links pop up in the video. There'll also be a link in the description of this video to take you straight to them. Definitely make sure you subscribe to Volunteer Audio on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. By doing so, you're going to find out about new products like this as they come out. Be the first in the know. We always try to show you how to install it, how to use it, if those things are applicable to that new part. So you definitely want to follow along to make sure you make the right decision with your money the first time and you can be the first in your crew to have the new grills from Hertz in this case. If you have any questions about the product, if you need help, maybe on a whole system, let's talk about your bike, your build, your budget. Let's go over the different systems Volunteer Audio offers. Let's get you the right one the first time. Give us a call, 1-844-30-AUDIO. We also have a great website that's easy to use. If you want to look at full systems, just go to our guided system, plug-and-play system portion of the website, answer a few questions. All those options are going to come up. Inside the descriptions, we go over other things that you may need to know. But don't forget, when you buy from Volunteer Audio, you get the best customer service in the industry, and you get free lifetime tech support. So as you do your install, if you run into problems, if you need help, we are here to help you, and nobody does plug and play like Volunteer Audio. Everything's pre-wired, gains are set, filters are set, DSPs are tuned. Everything is done by us professionally, so all you have to do is the easy part, and you and I together can get an awesome system put in your bike. Thank you so much for watching. It's just a couple days of Christmas, so I'm going to say Merry Christmas as well, and God bless.